feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to create a scroll view in Unity. Scroll view in Unity. Let's go. In first step for making background, create an image in UI. Click on Canvas component in the canvas and select the screen space camera option. Then give camera to it. With selecting this section and holding Alt button, make the image size like the background. Create a new canvas. Create a scroll view. At render mode in canvas, choose a screen space camera and give main camera to it. Then at render mode, choose world space.
What?
At canvas 2, raise order layer number. Delete these two game objects at scroll view. After selecting a scroll view at a scroll rect section, uncheck horizontal option. Then make viewport size the same size of a scroll view. In content subset, make an image. Then create more images at first image subset.
A few inches later. 2 hours later.
But I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never ran, said no, man, I still go. Go, go.
Tomorrow.
Go, go, go.
Get a copy from this section.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay.
6.5 hours later.
Saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put
Choose
them
all
on
created
display.
parts.
In your brain till you're feeling no more pain.
For resizing the content, take out those from content subset. Then resize content to custom amount.
Everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you
With resizing the viewport, you can control the display of elements.
I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
It's done. Thanks for watching our video. If you like, subscribe us.